we want to find the gradient of the curve y equals 2x minus 1 squared times 2x plus 3 cubed at the point minus 1, 9. Let's start with y equals 2x minus 1 squared times 2x plus 3 cubed. To find the gradient, we need to find the gradient function dy dx. So we need to differentiate this expression. It's a product, and we can see that u is 2x minus 1 all squared, and v is 2x plus 3 cubed. We need du dx, and we can use the chain rule. Differentiate the bracket, and multiply by the differential of the inside function. So we have 4 times 2x minus 1. We need the chain rule for dv dx. Differentiate the bracket, and multiply by the differential of the inside function. That gives us 6 times 2x plus 3 all squared. So now dy dx is equal to v times du dx. So we get 4 times 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 3 cubed added to u times dv dx, which is 6 times 2x minus 1 squared times 2x plus 3 squared. We want the gradient at the point minus 1, 9, which means that x is equal to minus 1. Substituting in, minus 2 take away 1 is minus 3, and here minus 2 add 3 is 1. Minus 2 take 1 is minus 3, and minus 2 add 3 is 1. So we have 4 times minus 3 times 1, which is minus 12, and 6 times 9 times 1 is 54, giving us 42.